Industrias Itte is the lifelong project of three friends who shared more than just an idea. They established a working philosophy based on precision, collective effort and commitment, with one core objective: to perfect the art of die cutting. Now, more than 60 years later, this philosophy lives on, in every decision, every process and every one of our products. And now, a second generation is at the helm of our expert, approachable and agile team. Itte specializes in sheet metal stamping and die cutting. We design and manufacture our own tooling, optimizing materials, costs and lead times. We produce original components for the automotive sector, as well as hardware and renovation systems, all bearing our signature stamp. We take care of the entire process, from the original concept to the client handover. Technology that works to the beat of our industry, mid-sized series production and just-in-time deliveries. And the quality of our work is guaranteed and certified by international management standards ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. The end product is always delivered smoothly and on time. No fuss, just results. Because Itte means precision at every step and accuracy in every delivery. From the industrial heart of the Basque Country, we work together, both with you and for you, with precision and with passion. Industrias Itte, more than 60 years forging trust.